If you want to manage favorite contacts on iPhone 17e, we need to go to the phone app. All your favorite contacts should be found here in the calls menu at the top. And in order to, for example, add new contacts to favorites, we can tap on edit in the upper left corner, and then we have add favorite. If you already have favorites, then you can choose edit favorites. So if you go over here, if I try to add a favorite, then of course I need to choose the contact that should be added to favorites. So I can tap over here, and I can actually decide if I want to quickly send a message to that contact, if I want to call that contact, and you might be able to find even more options in here. So in my case, I'm just gonna choose call, and there we go. We can add more contacts to favorites by using this plus in the upper right corner, and we can keep adding more and more options. You can also remove contacts by using this minus in the upper left corner, and in order to save your changes, just use this check in the upper left corner. If you go to contacts in here, you can also add to favorites. For example, if I choose this contact over here, I should be able to find add to favorites option, so I can just tap over here and I can once again choose what action should be assigned to this favorite contact. And that is pretty much it. Of course, now since this contact has been added to favorites, I can just tap over here in order to immediately call that contact. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.